Welcome back to Green Gardening. It's another pollen-filled day here in North Alabama, and we're back working on the greenhouse. I had an extra panel. I was going to do some serious overlap, but I've decided to give a little bit of overlap to this spot in front of the garden. In front of the greenhouse. So what I've got to do here, unfortunately, is cut that down a bit, and then this panel will slide down on top of that, and I'll probably cut the excess off of this even. That way it doesn't overhang the strawberries so much. It still gives me a little bit of coverage out here. I'm not sure why exactly I think I need it, but I feel like I need it. So I've got the material, and that's what I'm gonna do. Move this over here so you can actually see what I'm doing. Sort of. Wobbly greenhouse is. I have to put some cross braces in here to work better. We will edit this part out. Here, I've got that sawed off and level, and I've left this a little disc level or unleveled. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but I wanted to have some overhang on the wood itself, and so this sticks out a piece here, but it covers the far end, and so that I'll have coverage out to this point. It just sort of barely overhangs the strawberries, but most of our rain comes from this side, so I'm not too terribly worried about it. And now we'll get this panel screwed in. Okay, so this is sort of the same principle as yesterday. We use these screws, hexagon 1/4 inch, and anchor this down. I realize I need more screws than this, but I'll handle that in a minute. just has to work. There's going to be a lot of editing on this video. Alright, there it is. And we'll do something a little different when I go up top. Because this has a slight slope to it. This main space over here will be where I have all of my garden stuff, the true greenhouse aspect of it, and then this bit of an overhang. So there we go, the next phase of the greenhouse up. Got the roof on. Only took 1.5 years. Now I need to put a few more support poles in here and some cross bracing for sure. And we'll start on the sides and maybe a couple of doors. The siding. So until next time, keep digging, keep growing.